In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Microsoft PowerPoint to make sure you're using the latest features and security improvements. Keeping PowerPoint current helps protect your files, improve stability, and often unlocks new tools. You can do this from any presentation, whether it's a new file or one you're actively working on. Before we begin, save your work. Updating Microsoft apps will close all open Microsoft programs, so it's smart to save and close other Office files as well. With PowerPoint open, click the File tab in the top left corner. On the left sidebar, choose Account, sometimes called Office Account. This takes you to your Microsoft account settings for Office, where update controls are located. On this page, look for the section labeled Office Updates. Here, you might see a message that updates are ready to install. If there are no updates available, there's nothing you need to do right now. If updates are available, click Update Now. Depending on your version, that button may appear inside an Update Options dropdown. Either way, select Update Now to begin. A pop-up window will remind you to save your work before continuing. Take a moment to save any open files in PowerPoint, Word, or Excel, and close those documents if needed. When you're ready, click Continue and follow the on-screen prompts. PowerPoint will download and install the latest updates automatically. If other Microsoft apps need updates, those will install too. You might see progress bars and brief restarts of the apps. This is normal. Keep your computer on and avoid force quitting the installer. When the process finishes, reopen PowerPoint and your presentation. Your apps will now include the newest features, security fixes, and performance improvements. If you head back to the account page later, the Office Updates section will indicate that you're up to date. Quick tips before we wrap up. If you don't see the Update Now option, updates might be managed by your organization or system administrator, and they'll arrive automatically or through your company's software center. Updates can take longer on slower connections, so a reliable internet connection helps. And if you were in the middle of something important, consider running updates during a short break to avoid interruptions. And that's it. You've successfully updated Microsoft PowerPoint. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon so you don't miss any new uploads.